But where's EmmaDish? Where's EmmaDish?
Where's EmmaDish?
He's trying to hide his face.
The crew is here already. Okay, this is AJK, and then you mentioned your name.
Sikapa.
And hey, Muse.
Fahima.
Oh yes, and I don't know my name honestly.
We have to go and look for the this thing some.
The
olden days.
Wow. Okay, so as you can see, our pot. A pot? La pot? Did you say la pot?
I said about people.
Oh, okay. I also heard la.
Hey, you people.
I heard La Portla.
She be francophone. Where are you from? Tanzania. Do they speak French? Okay, so as you can see, our beautiful queen. Yeah. She's looking very what's the word?
Radiant.
Yeah, gradient and gradient map.
Not gradient.
My brother understands. Gradient what? No. Map.
Radiant.
Radiant.
Good.
So gradient. Yes, we are grading her.
Hey,
Okay, so wow, she's looking very nice, as you can see. So you guys should watch out for the shoot, right? This is a collabo, a beautiful collabo. I mean, unity is all we stand for, right? Yeah. Charlie, down. Down where? Oh!
Are you watching it?
I'm watching my brother.
It's an
My brother.
abomination.
Hey! Jesus died today. Was it today he died?
Yeah.
Hey!
Don't worry, next year too he will die.
He will die again. Yes. My brother, say something about this your model. Where you find this your model? Where you go find
I
her?
don't want to talk much.
God has given him that eye.
Yeah, you get the eye.
He says he can spot it.
I tell you.
He can pick from the lot.
I just don't want to talk much.
You don't have to. My brother, you just don't have
Where the
to.
camera is on me,
Huh.
my words get
Yeah. She's lacking vocabs now. Okay, so we want the 360. Everyone, hey, no. You know, everyone is watching now, right? Yeah, so they want to see the 360. Give it to us.
The 360 view.
Yes, in a slow-mo. In a slow-mo.
Hey, be careful.
My brother, I have to zoom in and then zoom out. I have to zoom in and then zoom out.
Be careful.
You get it? Yeah. Huh. I'm mesmerized. Oh! Please, I'm lying. My girlfriend is watching. Yeah.
Typical village. You see the children
Exactly.
in the river like that.
Yeah. Okay, so the kids are right behind me and they are playing. That is where we'll be taking the shoot. Y'all should watch out. Right?
Yeah. Corona can do.
Okay, so you see this beautiful lady. See what Corona has made it.
See, next time, yeah, they beat her for her wrist, her ankle, if possible, cry, her neck, cry.
But is she not having?
You bring some. I said that is why Andrea, when he was saying it, I was really emphasizing. Said, well, let's come off. What is it? So we plan, and at least for beginners. But I was saying, you who say, wait, what kind is that black? All right, not black.
Exactly, as we can see. Yeah. So she's looking very
Then
melanin.
she would have some anklets.
Yeah.
Oh, what is too much? It's not too much.
This okay. Now
That's what I was telling you.
she's going to fetch water. She doesn't need all these things. You know?
No, but in those days, she's a princess and say something like that. And
Okay.
Okay, I mean,
We will make her a princess one day.
one day, okay, yeah. We'll do what?
We will make her a princess.
Ah.
It is happening.
It is happening live and colored. Location. Where are we now? Cali. Tanoso. Yeah. So it's going down.
I think I'm ready.
Yeah. I really can see. Yeah. So how many lights? We're using one light. Initially, we planned on using two lights, right? But now we've decided on using just one light. Okay. Yeah. You love it. Yeah, the man behind the camera. Woo! Yeah, so what gears are you using?
So because it's getting
Darker, okay.
because we are trying to get to the golden hour
Yeah,
shots.
okay,
So what we're doing here is I want to use a full frame camera,
okay,
5D Mark II,
okay,
and in using this,
Okay.
We can open an ISO to like 400
alright,
and still get the ambient light
okay,
as well as a wall exposure.
Yeah.
Exposure for pictures.
yeah, yeah,
So I advise I use my full frame.
okay,
But
okay,
if you have the crop sensor, it's not bad.
yeah,
It's not bad. You just
Yeah.
have to play around your flash so that
yeah.
you get a well
Exactly,
exposed picture.
exactly, okay,
Yeah,
so,
I want to use the prime lens.
okay,
Why am I using a prime lens? It's advised to use a prime lens because in using that prime lens,
okay, okay,
you get a wider view
okay,
as well as a sharp focus on the subject.
okay,
That's why I'm
okay,
using a prime lens.
okay,
However, I'll be using this
the zoom,
75 to 300
yeah.
mm
Zoom
lens,
alright,
zoom lens,
yeah,
for shots in a scene where she's heading towards the river to fetch her water.
okay,
Yeah, I
Okay.
want to use this one.
okay,
That is it.
okay,
So
okay.
let's get to work.
Let's get rolling. Okay, so he says something about ambient. What is ambient? I don't know ambient. Please, we are going to take ambient shots. You should watch out. Woo! Ambient.
No, it's okay.